technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today and thereafter traded in a sideways range throughout the day. It ended the day on a positive note, up 57 points. The point of concern here was that the market breadth was negative today. The mid cap index closed on the negative side while the small cap index closed on a flat note. So only the Nifty and Bank Nifty closed with gains in today's trading session. The broader market saw some profit booking today. The market breadth was negative with 730 advances to 757 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, Infosys, TCS, ICICI Bank and Reliance Industries were some of the stocks which held on, which kept the Nifty in the positive territory, while Tata Motors, L&T, Bajaj Auto, ONGC, Axis Bank, ITC and Tata Steel closed the day on a negative note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive today. It has surpassed yesterday's swing high. On the daily charts, you can observe that it is trading near a crucial resistance area of the 40-day moving average. It has closed above that, however, it is trading around that. And also, it is trading at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the fall from the high of 88.45 up to the low of 7997. So that retracement area of 50% comes around to Nifty around today's closing. So Nifty is trading at a crucial resistance cluster, and in the coming trading session it will be crucial to see whether the Nifty manages to continue on to its positive momentum. As per the wave principle, it is very much possible that it has started its fifth wave, and once we get a daily negative close, the 5 waves might be complete, but that requires a confirmation of a daily negative close. So considering the fact that we have closed in the positive, it is trading above the 40-day moving average, the daily momentum indicator is having a positive crossover. We continue to maintain a positive stance for a target of 85.04 on the upside. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that the Nifty has been trading in an upward sloping channel along the upper hourly Bollinger Band above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. However, point of concern here was that on the hourly momentum indicator we have got a negative divergence. However, that negative divergence needs to be confirmed with a daily negative close. So once we get a daily negative close, we can take further action regarding that, regarding the trend of the Nifty. However, at this point of time, we continue to maintain a positive stance on Nifty. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was also closed with gains in today's trading session. Now from the low it hit around early May, it has formed a 5-wave advance. Now post a 5-wave advance, we generally get a retracement of that fall. However, that retracement is confirmed only once we get a daily negative close. So until we get a daily negative close, the trend for Bank Nifty also shall remain positive. So we expect the positive momentum to continue in Bank Nifty as well. 18,620 and 18,740 are crucial resistances for Bank Nifty. 18,445 and 18,300 are crucial supports. For the Nifty, 84.41 and 85.04 are crucial resistances. 83.77 and 83.26 are crucial supports. So overall friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. A couple of points to note here for today's trading session was that the market breadth was negative today, and we have got a negative divergence on the hourly charts of Nifty. However, that all needs to be confirmed with the daily negative close. So until all these things happen, we continue to maintain a positive stance on Nifty. So that's all for the day. Thank you.